CHUBORY 11 Pro GPS drones with 90 minutes plus long flight time. 2-axis gimbal drones with camera for adults. 4K ultra high definition camera anti-shake. GPS auto return home. Brushless motor. All function drones for beginners and professionals. 3 batteries plus bag. Hi, welcome my friend. With splendid 4K Ultra HD camera, you can enjoy 4K UHD picture and 2.3K video for stunning clarity, high contrast, and vivid colors. Upgraded 2-axis gimbal plus unique design of the drone makes it much more stable than others. 120 degrees field of vision lens and 90 degrees adjustable camera gives you a broad view. This is an ideal drone for adults and kids who want high quality videos or pictures. Equipped with upgraded 2850 mAh battery, the drone can fly 30 minutes for each batteries. We provide you with 3 batteries for each drone so that you can enjoy 90 minutes super long flight time. It comes with beginner settings to let you get used to it, and then you can use other functions later on. It's easy to fly for all levels. Intelligent flight features like follow me mode, tap fly, point of interest, hand gesture shots makes you fly like an expert to explore the fun of aerial filming. This is a drone with GPS return home. 11 Pro could fly up to 1 kilometer range in open airspace. The drone will auto-return to takeoff location when it is lost signal, low power, or when you click the 1 key return home. 11 Pro promise 30 days of return or exchange and 90 days free warranty. Besides, the operation guide video is available in the instructions. You can watch it before the flight. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.